Ever felt your dreams slipping further away? You work hard, but the bills keep piling up. Late nights, early mornings, still not enough. You watch others succeed and wonder, why not me? You want freedom, time, and real financial security, but every side hustle feels like a dead end. You crave a breakthrough, something truly different. Imagine earning more while working from home. Picture a platform built for people just like you. Introducing Master Affiliate Profits and Shoppy Shop. They're rewriting the rules for home entrepreneurs. Smart tech meets Buyers Club perks. Layered commissions mean your effort multiplies. No more guessing, just real, proven pathways. Join early and watch your side hustle soar. Feel the relief of finally earning what you deserve. Shoppy Shop discount travel portal saves you money. Exclusive deals make every trip affordable. Streamlined booking means less stress, more joy. Shoppy Shop. Travel Pro helps you scale fast. Advanced tools make building your business easy. Professional email templates boost your campaigns. Connect with your audience in just a few clicks. Master Affiliate Profits delivers advanced strategies. Access exclusive resources and a supportive community. Gain a true competitive edge online. Earn up to 40% commissions on select campaigns. Lifetime referral commissions mean lasting income. Strengthen your brand with a professional logo. Attract more customers across every channel. Map's Double Dip feature automates your income. Maximize revenue with minimal effort. ShoppySuccess.com offers done-for-you e-commerce setups. Unlock double dip income potential easily. Multi-tiered affiliate marketing multiplies your earnings. Leverage a broad network for bigger rewards. Seamless integration keeps everything running smoothly. Manage affiliate and e-commerce in one place. High converting opportunities mean more profit. Robust support guides you every step. Urgency matters. Move fast to secure your spot. Every moment you wait is lost potential. Imagine unlocking higher online earnings today. Benefit from Buyers Club perks instantly. Layered commissions reward your hard work. No experience? No problem. Resources are beginner-friendly. Already a pro? Advanced tools await you. Join a community that truly cares. Share your wins and learn from others. Feel the pride of building something real. See your income double, and then some. Take your side hustle to the next level. Finally, a platform that delivers on its promises. No more empty hype, just real results. Your family deserves more. Give them security. Your dreams are valid. Make them your reality. Your future is waiting. Don't let it pass by. You're not alone. Thousands are joining daily. Together, we're rewriting the rules of success. Feel empowered, supported, and inspired. Every journey starts with a single step. This is your moment. Embrace it fully. Let go of doubt. Choose confidence instead. Let your side hustle finally pay off. Imagine the freedom to live life your way. Imagine watching your income grow every month. Imagine being proud of what you've built. The opportunity is here. Will you take it? Join Master Affiliate Profits and Shoppy Shop now. Double your income, transform your life. Start today.